Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start Resource Monitor right now by opening Task Manager, clicking Performance, then Resource Monitor, or typing Resmon and pressing Enter. You want to target a process immediately, so expand the CPU tab and check a process to follow its threads. Once done, make sure to enable the Memory tab to view hard faults and commit size. This gives you immediate, live insight into what consumes cycles, memory, disk I/O, and network traffic, so you can prioritize the next diagnostic step. Once monitoring is active, dive into the complex middle steps. Under CPU, click the process and expand associated threads to identify contention, then right-click to analyze wait chains if needed. Next, switch to memory to correlate commit and hard faults per second with the process footprint, because swapping indicates insufficient RAM. Then, move to disk and network to measure bytes per second, average latency, and open handles. These details reveal whether slow I/O or heavy traffic is the bottleneck. To finish, take decisive final steps. If Resource Monitor shows a runaway process, record the PID, then terminate or suspend it while noting service dependencies. Once addressed, make configuration fixes, disable unnecessary startup apps, tune virtual memory, or add RAM to prevent recurrence. If the problem persists, collect Resource Monitor snapshots and Event Viewer logs, reboot, and test in safe mode to isolate drivers or services. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip: boot clean, reproduce the issue, then apply targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.